What is kinesiology tape? It's a stretchy, mainly cotton and nylon adhesive tape. Designed to mimic the elasticity of the skin, it has a stretch between 140 to 180%. It's sweat-proof and water-resistant, and it can last between 2 to 5 days depending on the application area. So what makes a good kinesiology tape? Hopefully you've had time to get hold of some tape. If not, click the link below to get some. Have a feel of the texture and check there's no fraying on the edge. This should mean it will last longer and cut better. Now we're going to look at some tape handling. First thing is you want a good pair of scissors. It's really important actually because it helps prevent fraying of the edges. We don't want to leave corners sharp as we apply the tape because it's more likely to fray away from the skin. This is an eye strip. A simple technique tip: if you fold the tape in half, you can round two edges together. And then we want to create a semicircle here where we've got nice round edges. When handling the tape, we want to minimise our contact with the glue. So we're going to tear the tape just like a piece of paper at the two ends of the tape. We can then pull away one tail, and I haven't touched the glue. We can then lay the tape down onto the skin and give it a bit of a rub to get good adhesion. Okay guys, so now we're going to look at some tape handling around different cuts. So for this, all you need is a pair of scissors and one strip of tape. From here, we can make an eye strip. So we're going to fold the tape in half and then round the edges. This forms a key strip for many fundamental techniques. From here, we're going to make a Y strip and we're going to cut the tape directly down the middle, leaving around 1.5 inches at the end. From here, we can again round the edges of both of the Ys just to avoid any fraying. Now finally, from here, we can make a lymphatic technique. Once more, we're going to cut the tails directly down the middle, which creates two thin tails. Another shortcut for you, if you're short on time, is if you fold the tape back over itself 4 times, you can then just do one cut down the middle, which creates you your two tails. From there, once more, we just round off the edges of each individual tail. There are 4 of them. And there we have our finished lymphatic strip.